Yes, so my wonderful people, welcome to IPOB Media. Thank you for always tuning in and watching our videos. We really appreciate you doing so. God bless you so much. All right, this is IPOB Media, the place where we bring you the good news of Biafra, the only channel where you get the latest legit news, information, update, trends, happenings, events, and everything you need to know about Biafra and our struggle for freedom. Yes, my people, you see, when we, tell our Southeast governors to think about Igbos first before, whatever they do, I don't know why they don't listen. Why do you always want to serve your master, the zoo? They don't respect you. They don't care about you. They will just use you and, use you as a footmat and drop you afterwards. I don't know what is wrong with these people, and it is high time we address this situation. All right, we'll be bringing you this video shortly, and a very interesting and educative one. Yes, if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our videos. And don't forget to share on all your social media platforms so that this video goes viral and Biafrans get to know what is going on. All right, we encourage you as well to share your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be there replying to every of your comments and give this video a thumbs up. All right, my people, let's not waste your time. Let us go straight into this video. Watch this video and see, how our Southeast politicians, are disgraced, right? These outgoing ones that, that has leaked the zoo government, and now they don't have anything to talk about. I want you to watch this video for yourself. I'll be right back.
I am the national president of our Association of Southeast Past PGs, ASEP, and national chairman of Igbo Elders Forum. I am a church Cambo. What is happening in the country? Ojo Okalu is crying in public. Okorocha crying and hiding from EFCC. David Umahi crying and blaming his fellow Southeast governors for failing the APC presidential election. Chimaro Kennaman crying and cursing the Igbo. Why all these Igbo governors and politicians are crying and hiding? I'm just laughing. Yes, I am only laughing. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Until the Igbo governors and the politicians confess their sins against us. Until they confess their sins against the Igbos, they will never have peace in their lives. They will never have peace in their life. I've said it before. All the money fight Jaffa and Bute Ole Lendi Igbo. All ya put if I get so get the fan or what. Look at the way they disgrace us at our project. So whoever tells you that the problem of Igbo man is the civil war is a liar. With civil war, the governors are very greedy. The governors are very desperate for power without consideration for Igbo interests. With civil war, was it not after the civil war that our late hero Nnamdi Azikiwe contested the presidency under the MPP with a Fulani as his vice? Was it not after the civil war that Aminu Kanu contested the presidency under the PRP with an Igbo man, Mazi S.G. Koku, as his vice? Was it not after the civil war that Alhaji Waziri Ibrahim of GMPP contested the presidency with an Igbo man, Dr. B.U. Zeribe as his vice president. So, or was it not after the Civil War that our own brother, Dr. Lese Ekweme, became the vice president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? And even Edwin Umezuke became the Speaker, Federal House of Reps, even during the military junta, military regime. Was it not an Igbo man, Commodore Bitukiwe, that was next to the military president IBB? So whoever that tells you that the problem of Igbo man is the Civil War is a liar, a complete liar. These governors and politicians are the problem of the Igbo man. I wonder how these politicians sleep at night after this recent national embarrassment and disgrace of Igbos, a thing that has never happened in Igbo land before. Come to think of it, the Igbos have lost virtually everything. The Igbos have lost the president. The Igbos have lost the vice president. The Igbos have lost the Senate president. The Igbos have lost the speaker. The Igbos have lost the secretary to the federal government. The Igbos have lost the chief justice. The Igbos have lost the IG of police. The Igbos have lost the military chiefs. Army, Navy, Air Force. The Igbos have lost the DSS. The Igbos have lost the EFCC. I can go on and on and on. The Igbos have lost virtually everything because of these greedy politicians. So our governors, but our governors, yes, our governors are here playing gods in their respective states. They will win all the local government elections in their states. They will win all the councillorship elections in their states. They will win all the elections controlled under them in their states. But go to Abuja. Go to Abuja. See how they fall like a pack of cars without a single position of honor for the Igbos. This nonsense must stop. I said this nonsense must stop. Look at how the country is being run. After Obasanjo, Osibanjo, after Osibanjo, now with Tinubu. In the north, after Yaradua, Sambo, after Sambo Buhari, and now Shetima. After Jonathan in the south, after Jonathan, Nana Babio. And they say we have politicians. And they say we have politicians. I say, I'm pained, I'm so much pained. So Igbos are now spectators in their own country. The Igbos are now spectators in their own country. We are no more second-class citizens in Nigeria. We are now 10th class citizens in our own country. And our so-called governors and so-called frontline politicians are there feeling unconcerned. You see? I hereby call on all Igbo organizations in Nigeria and diaspora to come together. We need to come together. We need to do something. And urgently too about this dangerous situation and think of what to do and stop this national embarrassment. Eh? But thank God we have database of all organizations in Nigeria, Igbo organizations in Nigeria and diaspora. We are contacting them. And I thank God, we started since last 3 years compiling the names of all Igbo saboteurs. And we shall send them all the names of all the Igbo saboteurs to all the Igbo organizations in Nigeria or in our diaspora to publish them in their platforms for global disgrace and documentations.
Yes, so my people, you've heard from our brother, and it's so sad that this thing continues to happen. Even the present ones we see what is going on and won't learn, right? And I don't know, man. I don't know what to say. I want to see your thoughts in the comment section. Let me see what you think. Share your thoughts, share your ideas, and I'll be right there replying to every one of you. And if you've never subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on interesting videos like this. And don't forget to share on all your social media platforms. Thank you very much. God bless.